Okay, guys. Next one is font tag. Okay. Next one is font tag. Use it to customize the font tag. Actually, in HTML5, the font tag is being removed, but still, in HTML4, that say this font tag will be still working. So that's the reason why I'm saying it. Mm, font. So yeah, this is font tag. The font tag is used to hide this is lokesh. Let me enclose this one H1 tag so that it will be displayed a little bit bigger in the output screen. Font color equal to some green. Sea green. .html font tag .html. Okay. If you want to give the color to a text, you can give it. If you want to give the size of text, you can give something like 6. See, the maximum size will be 6 man. So if you want to give font size to your text, you can start from 1 and 1 to so after 6, whatever the number you give, will show the okay, you see, good night. Face. Again, you want to see. Very good point. What you drink some water again. Listen carefully. If you want to give, if you want to give text some color, size, and face. So something like if you want to give some different style, something like can give any of this. This is something weird. So I will be giving the mistral, and the size will be 7, and the color will be some red. Okay, let us see this. This is good. Okay, if you want to give the color size face of the font. Why to do this? Okay. So this is all about font tag, ma. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Go on.
టెక్స్ట్ కి యానిమేషన్ పెట్టడానికి వస్తుందా సార్? ఒక టెక్స్ట్ కి యానిమేషన్ పెట్టడానికి వస్తుందా? అంటే అది మూమెంట్ లో పెట్టడానికి.
Hello.
హలో సార్.